Hi, myself Keshav of CSC Data Science Section A. Today our subject is chemistry and topic is air pollution management. And here is our contents for our presentation today. The main contents are: what is air pollution, sources of air pollution, pollutants, effects of air pollution, controlling of air pollution, how to protect your health from polluted air. Now we are going to discuss about our first content. What is air pollution? The air pollution is contamination of air due to presence of substances in atmosphere that are harmful to health of humans and other living beings or cause damage to climate or to materials. There are many different types of air pollutants such as gases, particulates and biological molecules. Air pollution can cause diseases, allergies, and even both death to the humans. It can also cause harm to other living organisms such as animals and food crops and may damage natural environment, built environment. Both human activity and natural process can generate air pollution. Sources of air pollution. Now we are going to discuss about sources of air pollution. The largest source of air pollution generated by fossil fuel combustion, mostly the production of use of cars and electricity production and heating. Anthropogenic means human-made sources. It is examples of human-made air pollution are smokestacks of fossil fuel power stations like coal industries, furnaces and other types of fuel burning heating devices present in many factories. In developing of poor countries, traditional biomass and burning is a major source of air pollutants. Fumes of paint, hairspray, varnish, aerosol sprays, and other solvents. Military resources such as nuclear weapons, toxic gases, warfare and rocketry, agricultural emissions, etc. And the air pollution from natural sources are dust from natural sources, usually large areas of land with little vegetation or no vegetation, smoke and carbon monoxide from wildfires, volcanic activity which produces sulfur, chlorine and ash particulates. And now we are going to discuss about pollutants. An air pollutant is a material in air that can have adverse effects on humans and the ecosystem. The substance can be solid particles, liquid droplets, or gases. Pollutants are classified into two types: primary pollutants, secondary pollutants. Some pollutants may be both primary and secondary. They both are emitted directly and formed from other primary pollutants. Pollutants emitted into the atmosphere by human activity are carbon dioxide (CO2). Because of its role as greenhouse gas, it has been described as leading pollutant and the worst climate pollutant. Sulfur oxides (SO2) is produced by volcanoes and in various industrial processes. Carbon monoxide vehicular exhaust contributes to majority of carbon monoxide let into the atmosphere. Volatile organic compounds (VOC). They are categorized as either methane (CH4) or non-methane (NMVOCs). Odors such as from garbage, sewage and industrial processes. Radioactive pollutants produced by nuclear explosions and nuclear explosions and natural processes such as radioactive decay of forest. Ammonia emitted mainly by agricultural waste. And now we are going to discuss about effects of air pollution. Air pollution affects all things. It is harmful to our health and impacts the environment, reducing visibility and blocking sunlight, causing acid rain, and harming forests, wildlife, and agriculture. Greenhouse gas pollution, the cause of climate change, affects the entire planet, harming human health. According to the World Health Organization, an estimated 7 million people die each year from air pollution. Ground level ozone causes muscles in lungs to contract, making it difficult to breathe. Exposure to high ozone levels can cause sore throat, coughing, lung inflammation, and permanent lung damage. Short-term exposure of air pollution can cause long-term exposure to air pollution can cause coughing, wheezing, difficulty breathing, irritation to eyes, nose, throat, headache, dizziness, fatigue. Long-term exposure to air pollution can cause respiratory diseases such as asthma, cardiovascular damage, harm to liver, spleen, and blood nervous system, age, cancer, birth defects, death, etc. Harming animals and plants. Plants and crops grow less when exposed to long-term air pollution. Ozone pollution harms plants by damaging structures called stomata, which are tiny pores on underside of leaves that allow the plant to breathe. When acid rain, lead toxicity, and exposure to nitrogen oxides change the chemical nature of soil. Plants are robbed of nutrients that they need to grow and survive. This impacts agriculture, forests, and grasslands, causing acid rain. Acid rain forms when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide mix with water droplets in the atmosphere to make sulfuric acid and nitric acid, making a hole in the ozone layer. The hole in the ozone layer can be caused by air pollutants. Chemicals used as refrigerants such as chlorofluorocarbons (CFCs) contain chlorine atoms. Ozone layer blocks harmful UVB radiation from sun. It protects us in a way that similar to putting sunscreen on your skin to prevent sunburn. Exposure to UVB increases the risk of skin cancer in humans, restricts growth and development in plants, slows the development of fish and amphibians, etc. Greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gas pollution causing climate change. As a result, ecosystems are changing faster than plants and animals can adapt and any species are going to extinct. Ocean acidification makes it difficult many marine species to grow shells, making ice sheets, warming oceans, and extreme weather conditions are examples of climate changes caused by greenhouse gas pollution. And here are some of examples of air pollution and the pictures of them. Harming plants. The brown color dots are pollution caused by air pollution to the plants, causing acid rain and making hole in the ozone layer. How to control air pollution? Conserve energy at home, at work, everywhere. Carpool. Use public transportation, bike or walk whenever possible. Use environmentally safe paints and cleaning products whenever possible. Consider using a gas logs instead of wood. Avoid burning leaves, trash, and other materials. Reduction of forest fires and smoking. Use of fans instead of air conditioner. Avoid usage of crackers. Avoid usage of products with chemicals. Implement afforestation. How to protect your health? Stay away from pollution hotspots such as main roads, busy road junctions. Ventilate your home. Stay indoors. Avoid using air fresheners and candles, using more natural cleaning agents than toxic chemicals. And here are some of the pictures and how to protect your health from them. Don't allow to smoke indoors. Air purifying plants such as aloe vera. Reduce or avoid strenuous outdoor exercise. And how to protect your health with these are examples. Use face masks when outdoor. Use air purifiers. Take steam. Thank you.